Hi friends, welcome to Sara and Sara's cooking. I'm going to show you how to cook spicy prawns or udang pedas Meletop. Here are the ingredients. We need to clean the prawns. You can use scissors. Cut off the antennas. I'm going to keep the shells, but you can still devein. I will show you how. First, take a toothpick and poke a hole through and pull the toothpick. Like this, to remove the vein. The vein is not good to eat. That's where the icky stuff stays. You can clean the top part and remove the head. Let's do another. You can also cut off the legs. This is how you can devein the prawns. Once more. I will do the rest in super speed. Rinse it. Add tamarind and salt and mix it well. Soak for about 5 minutes. Okay, remove all the tamarind and salt. Rinse it well to remove all the tamarind and salt. Let's look at the next step. Heat up the oil. Add the lemongrass. Add the sliced onions. Stir well. Add the sliced tomatoes. Simmer until the onions caramelize. Add ginger and garlic paste. Add chili paste. Stir well. Add more chili if you want really spicy or Meletop. Stir again. Add salt to taste. Simmer for about 10 minutes. Always stir until the oil separates. We need it to be very thick. Now the sauce is darkened and thickened. Add half glass of water. Now we can add the prawns. Keep stirring for about 2 minutes. It does not take long for the prawns to cook. All done. I need to improve the ending part. Thanks for watching. Please support by subscribing to my channel and do share this video. Thank you.